If you've recently begun planning funeral arrangements, you may have heard the term direct cremation. But what exactly does it mean, and how is it different from a traditional funeral service? In this video, we'll explain what direct cremation is, how the process works, and why many families today are choosing this simple and affordable option. Welcome to the Funeral Program site, where we help families navigate funeral planning with clarity and compassion. Today, we're breaking down the meaning of direct cremation so you can better understand your options during an emotional time. Direct cremation is the simplest form of cremation service. It refers to a cremation that takes place shortly after death without a formal funeral service, visitation, or viewing beforehand. In a direct cremation, the deceased is transported from the place of passing directly to the crematory or funeral home. The body is placed in a simple cremation container, and the cremation is performed without any ceremony at the time of the process. Because there is no viewing, embalming, or formal service involved beforehand, direct cremation is typically the most affordable funeral option available. The process usually begins when a funeral home or cremation provider is contacted. They will transport the deceased into their care and complete the required paperwork, including permits and authorization forms. Once the legal documentation is complete, the cremation is scheduled. After the cremation process is finished, the cremated remains are placed in a temporary container or urn and returned to the family. Families can then decide how they would like to honor their loved one afterward. One important thing to understand is that direct cremation does not mean there can't be a memorial service. Many families choose to hold a celebration of life, memorial gathering, or religious service days or even weeks later. This flexibility allows families to plan a more personal tribute without the time pressure that often comes with traditional funeral services. Some families create memorial programs, tribute videos, or online memorial pages to share memories and celebrate the life of their loved one. There are several reasons families choose direct cremation. The most common reason is affordability, since it removes many of the traditional funeral costs, such as embalming, viewing facilities, and elaborate caskets. Others prefer the simplicity and flexibility it offers. Families can plan a meaningful memorial in their own way, whether that's a private family gathering, a scattering ceremony, or a larger celebration of life at a later date. Direct cremation also allows families time to grieve without feeling rushed into immediate decisions. Even though the cremation itself is simple, the tribute afterward can still be deeply meaningful. Families often personalize the memorial with photo displays, printed memorial programs, tribute videos, or online memorial websites where friends and relatives can share messages and memories. These personal touches help create a lasting tribute that reflects the life and legacy of the person being honored. Direct cremation offers a simple, flexible, and affordable option for families who want to honor a loved one without the structure of a traditional funeral service. If you're exploring funeral planning options, understanding choices like direct cremation can help you make the best decision for your family. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, take care and bye for now.